Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another video where I'm going to show you how you can create a ResearchGate account without institutional ID. I've already shared in my previous video where you can create a ResearchGate account using your Google ID if you have some publications on your name. In this video, I'll show you another option which might work for you and see which one suits you more better and can be easily done. Go without wasting time further, let's go and see what is there and how we can create this ResearchGate account. So go to ResearchGate homepage. This is the ResearchGate homepage. Just log in. I have my institutional ID, so I have logged in with this. The next thing what you can do, if there is someone who is having an institution ID and is a part of ResearchGate, they can add you or invite you to have this profile. Did you get me? Yes, if you know someone whom you can reach out and say like you don't have an institutional ID but still you want to get connected to ResearchGate, then you can ask any of your colleague or supervisor or mentor to send you an invite for this. And how to do it, I'll show you in a minute. Like for example, when you click on the profile link and when you say invite colleagues, right? So this is here you have to enter your email ID, and you can, as you can see, one person can send to 5 account nominations. This means that you can invite 5 different people in using using your colleague's email ID or your colleague's ResearchGate account. So for example, let me see, like for add my another ID which I have not created. So if I say, just say send nomination, so invitation has been sent to that email ID. So you can just go to your email ID where you have received your notification and just accept it. So in this way you can easily connect to different people using ResearchGate, and you can see the different researchers coming on this platform where they share important information related to research and day-to-day events or activities that are popular in research in your field. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research and do let me know which method worked for you for creating a ResearchGate account. It is a very good platform and I highly recommend all the researchers to just create an account on ResearchGate and get benefited from that. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.